So every morning when I'm about to get ready for stream, this is what I do. I plug it in, and this thing is amazing because this electric kettle, it heats up. Why is it not turning on? Okay, now it's turning on. Now it's turning on. This electric kettle heats up so quickly. It is 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Actually, I just realized I should have filled it up first, and I started heating it up already. It still had yesterday's water. Maybe I should dump it out and put some more water, but I always grab some bottled water. My Kirkland alkaline water. And I put that in there, and so I make my little cafecito. My little cafecito that is decafinado. Okay, now we start again, and we're gonna see. But let me show you guys around exactly how I make my little cafecito. Okay, I grabbed the tiniest bit of this, the Nescafe. Decafinado always. This is the instant one. I do have pods down there that, you know, if I want to make it in the Ninja one that I have, but I use this. So I always use my little freezer cup because that's the one I always use on stream for the most part. I've used other cups, but this is usually the go-to cup that I usually choose. And I grab about this much of cafecito. Where's the camera? Right there. About this much. Just a good amount. That's good. That's good. You don't need any more unless you want a more amargo taste. And this is where I keep my sugar. How cute is he? He's so adorable. I keep my sugar in here, and I do about 2 spoons of this. And the water actually stopped. The kettle stopped making the boil. The water stopped boiling. It's reached 212 degrees Fahrenheit. My goodness. Okay, so once it reaches this, then all I do is I pour it in. I pour it in, I pour it in, I pour it in. That's what I do every morning. Every time I get ready to stream, this is like the go-to thing that I do. And then once I'm done, that's it, turn it off, and I always unplug. I've heard horror stories, so remains unplugged. And then that's it, we just mix. We just mix. And then I put some real milk in there because, oh my god, I love milk. But you guys keep telling me I put too much milk every time, and I'm like, you guys don't know what you're talking about, just try it. Put a little bit of extra milk. It's good for you. Okay, so this is the milk. This is the milk. This is so delicious. If you guys haven't tried it, you should try it. It's fabulous. It's so good. It's so good. And I just put a little bit of this in my coffee. Okay, and just a little bit of milk. And by a little bit, I mean a lot. Like this much. This is what I do every time. Oh. Everybody was giving me caca about this, but you must try it. You must try the warm milk.